Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook in a very simple way. So let's get started guys. Click on the top left profile icon. Then tap on the photo or video which you want to tag. In our case, I want to tag photos. Then tap the post you want to tag to your friends. Click on three dots. Then some options will appear. Click on Tag Photo. Your Facebook friend list will appears. Then check the box you want to tag. Once you confirm, then click Done. And you will see the tag list here. If you want to remove tagging, simply uncheck the box. So these are the simple steps to follow. Thank you guys for watching this video.